Do we have studied the chemical properties of metals?
Yes, sir, we have done.
Yes, sir.
Chemical
Sir,
properties of,
ionic compound we have done.
we have done ionic compound, we have done the metals, the chemical properties of metals and non-metals, and we are doing the questions regarding to that one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you know that metals, the first property again I'm going to revise. Metals when react with acids, they will give you salt plus hydrogen
plus-
gas.
Yes, sir.
For example, Zn plus H2SO4 will gives you ZnSO4 plus hydrogen gas. What if we take copper? Copper when react with HCl, will it gives you? Tell me, copper when react with HCl, what would happen? No reaction will take place. Why no reaction?
Oh, it's less reactive.
Yes, copper is less reactive than hydrogen. Less reactive than hydrogen. Okay. And let's suppose next property was metals when react with water. What it gives you? Metal oxide,
Plus
metal hydroxide,
Yes, sir.
or metal oxide plus hydrogen gas. Which metals are going to form hydroxide? Potassium, sodium, calcium, and magnesium.
The zinc.
Aluminium form only oxide. Okay, zinc form only oxide. Iron form only oxide. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, tell me, if we have potassium and react with water, what it will gives you? What it will gives you?
KOH.
KOH plus hydrogen
H2.
gas. Similarly, Na when react with water, it will gives you
NaOH plus H2.
And if we have calcium and react with water,
CaOH twice.
whole twice plus H2.
Yes, sir.
If magnesium react with water,
MgO plus H2.
MgOH whole twice plus H2.
Okay, sir.
Next, if zinc react with water, aluminium react with water, it will gives you Al2O3 plus oxide. Okay, aluminium has valency 3 and oxygen has valency 2. Cross multiply Al2O3. Okay.
Okay.
Next, if we have aluminium, if we have zinc when react with water, what it will gives you? Tell me. Adil, tell me. What it will gives you when zinc will react with water? Only the first 4 metals gives hydroxides. Then the other gives oxide only. So it will be zinc oxide, ZnO plus water. Okay. If iron react with water,
FeO.
Fe3O4 plus water. Fe3O4 is a mixture of
Sir,
FeO. Yes.
Yeah.
Fe2O3. Yes.
sir,
Yes.
don't we need to balance aluminium versus water?
Yeah.
Aluminium plus water?
Yeah. Every reaction need to be balanced. I'm not writing. I'm just writing the balance equation. I'm not writing the balance equation. I'm just balancing is another concept. Okay. So you can
Okay,
balance
sir.
every equation. Every reaction need to be balanced. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
I have wrote here only unbalanced equation. Okay. Just need to teach you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what are the condition for this one? The condition for water.
Hot
What kind
water. Cold water. It will react with cold water.
Cold cold, ice. Okay, cold water or ice. What is the condition
Uh,
for
hot
calcium?
or water.
Cold water.
Cold. So, what's in book? It's written water only.
But calcium can react with cold water. So many question has been asked in the okay, and there are so many books, not only the single books we are going to have.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
this can react with cold water. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this one
Magnesium with steam.
magnesium react with hot water,
Yes, sir.
and this one
Aluminium, zinc, and iron with steam.
yes, they react with steam. I'm writing here gas. Okay, these are the important condition that you need to remember. Otherwise, okay, this calcium float on the surface of water. We have done this question in the previous class. Why do calcium float on the surface of water? We have written this in the copy also. Okay,
Because of hydrogen.
because the reaction is so spontaneous that the hydrogen gas evolve, provide an upthrust force which help calcium to float. Okay, that we have written in the previous class. Okay, now tell me if we have so again potassium and sodium and calcium, cold water, okay, then magnesium, hot water, and then remaining
Aluminium,
aluminium,
zinc,
zinc,
iron,
and iron, steam.
steam.
Will you remember this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next is you have studied that now metals when react with base, what does it gives you? Metals when
Right.
react with base. So metals when react with base, they still form salt plus hydrogen gas. Plus hydrogen. But there is condition that metal should be either zinc, lead, or or aluminium. Okay, and base should be NaOH, a strong base. So we have written here zinc when react with NaOH, what it will gives you. In the previous class, we have discussed this one. Zinc when react with NaOH, what it gives you? Na2ZnO2, sodium zincate. This is very important. You need to memorize this reaction. Okay. Na2ZnO2, sodium zincate. Like we have carbonate ion CO3 -2 valency. Like we have phosphate ion PO4 -3 valency. Similarly, zincate ion is ZnO2 and it has a valency of -2. So when we have sodium with valency 1, when it react with PO4 with valency, sorry, when it react with zincate ion ZnO2, so it will cross multiply and will gives you Na2
ZnO2.
ZnO2. Okay,
Yes, sir.
plus hydrogen gas. So this is very important. This reaction is very, very important. Okay,
Okay.
very important. Next, if we have zinc when react with, sorry, lead. Instead of zinc, we have lead. Pb when react with NaOH, what it will gives you? Sodium, sorry, sodium plumbate. Na from Na2 instead of Pb, Zn, it will become PbO2. Okay, this is sodium plumbate.
Na2PbO2, right?
Yes, yes. And in case of aluminium, when it react with
Uh,
NaOH,
NaAlO2.
NaAlO2 plus hydrogen gas. Okay, this time we have NaAl. Don't write 2 here. Okay, in case of aluminium. Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So let's move further. You understood everybody? Other students, Hiba and Nadil, you understood? Please note
Yes,
it
sir.
down. If you have not noted
Yes,
this
sir.
one, this is the previous, this is all that we have studied in the previous class. This is a recap of the previous class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So have you noted this one or already noted?
Yes, sir. Second last one.
Noted, sir.
Okay. This is sodium zincate. Sodium zincate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let's move further.
Yes, sir, one you can continue.
Now we have studied that non-metal, the properties of metals. Now the properties of non-metals. Non-metals when react with acid, they don't react with acid. Okay, right? Non-metals do not react with acids. No reaction. Note it down. Non-metal do not react with acids. Done.
Yes, sir.
Next, why do actually non-metal do not react with acid to produce hydrogen gas? Let me explain you. Actually, metals are electron donator. For example, we have sodium. Okay, and it react with HCl to produce sodium chloride plus hydrogen gas. And how it is forming? This H plus ion of acids, the two H plus ion of acid, if I balance this one, and two Cl minus ions, and this is two Na atoms. So Na atom is going to have 281 electronic configuration. Means it is going to have one electron in its outermost shell. So this sodium will give one of its electron to this one. This sodium will give one of its electron to this one. And this hydrogen ions of acid will change into the hydrogen atoms. From ions, it becomes hydrogen atoms. With now they don't have at plus sign, they don't have one electron, because hydrogen when lose one of its electron, then it become H positive. So it is losing. Okay. So this they don't have H plus ions. Sorry, these H plus ions don't have electron. So they will receive from sodium. Here it will receive this from sodium. And these when these H plus ions get one electron, their charge will vanish, because positive charge is due to loss of electron, but it now received by sodium. Sodium donate them. So plus charge will be removed, and now it form hydrogen gas. Okay. So for H plus ion, for two H plus ions, we need two electrons to become hydrogen gas. Okay. Understood? Understood? One electron will goes to this one, and one electron will goes to this one, and they will bond together. They will form hydrogen gas. So acids produce H plus ions, and metals are the electron donator. So electron is being donated by metals, and they will receive the tell me, the electrons. Okay, since the one electron is being chosen from this one electron from this one. Okay, so they will become hydrogen gas. They will form hydrogen gas. But what if there is no such element that can donate electron? For example, sulfur, when react with HCl, will it gives you HCl2 plus hydrogen gas? No.
No, sir.
Why? Because here the H plus ions and two sulfur atoms or one sulfur atoms, HCl2. Okay. So one sulfur atom has 286 electronic configuration. It already needs electrons because it is going to have 6 electrons in the outermost shell. It is electron deficient. It already needs 2 electrons. How can it donate to this one? 2 hydrogen ions? No, it will not donate. Since metals can donate electrons, so they can convert H plus ions to hydrogen gas by donating electrons. Okay, they will convert it because metals are electron donator. In hydrogen, ions of acids needs electron to become hydrogen atoms. But the H plus ions, but the sulfur is already electron deficient. It is going to have 6 electrons, so it will not lose its electron, it will gain. So if we have the H plus ions here of acids, so it will not give one of its electron to this one of its electron to this one. No, it will not give. Why? Because it is already electron deficient. Okay, understood?
Sir,
Understood?
can you explain the first one? The first.
Yes. Let me explain you. What happens when acids, like for example, H2SO4 react with magnesium. magnesium to give magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Okay. If we have magnesium, there are the 2 electrons in the outermost shell of magnesium. 2 electronic configuration, atomic number 12. And we have H2SO4. So when, don't think this is H2. Actually, when H2SO4 dissociated, then it gives 2 H plus ions and 1 SO4 minus 2 ion. So this magnesium will donate 1 electron to this H plus ion and 1 electron to this H plus ion. And now when they gain electron from ions, it get converted into atoms. Hydrogen ion is with positive charge and hydrogen atom is with 1 electron. Okay, now they have become 1 electron. They are carrying one electron, so they will now this when react with this one and this react with this one. Okay, they will form with one electron, they will form hydrogen gas, H2 gas. So how it is, it is possible? It is possible because of the magnesium, because magnesium is electron donator. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But here, if we have, instead of magnesium, if we have some element that is already electron deficient, which is not ready to donate, for example, H2SO4, when react with H2SO4, when react with sulfur, okay, so it will not give you sulfur sulfate plus hydrogen gas. No, it will not gives you. Why? Because sulfur is going to have 6 electrons in its outermost shell. It is already electron deficient. It need 2 electrons to complete its octet. It is going to have 2, 8, 6 electronic configuration. So it will not donate. Metals can only donate, but non-metal don't donate. So if there is no donation is done by the non-metals to the H plus ion, so how will they convert into hydrogen atoms? And how these hydrogen atoms will form hydrogen gas? So it is not possible, okay, for non-metals to liberate out hydrogen gas on reaction with acids, okay?
Yes, sir.
Metals. So please note that down. Here, why do non-metals on reaction with acid do not produce out hydrogen gas? The simple answer is non-metals are not able to produce hydrogen gas on the reaction with acids because non-metals are electron deficient. They are not able to reduce. Reduce means H plus ions when get 1 electron, it form hydrogen atoms. Okay, so this is called reduction. Addition of electron is reduction. So we will write they are not able to reduce H plus ions of acids to hydrogen atoms by donating electrons to form hydrogen gas. Okay, means hydrogen atom will form hydrogen gas, H2 molecule. So first of all, there should be hydrogen atoms instead of hydrogen ions. And hydrogen ions can be converted into hydrogen atom by using electron. Okay, so we'll write while metals are electron donating in nature, they can easily donate electron to the H plus ions of acids and form hydrogen atoms, thereby hydrogen gas. So please note it down properly. Done?
No,
Noted?
sir.
Noted, please. When you done, please let me know. Done?
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the class done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes,
Why are you
sir.
not answering? Okay,
Yes, sir. Finished.
so let's move further. The next one is non-metals when react with oxygen, they gives you non-metal oxides, and non-metal oxides are generally acidic in nature, but some non-metal oxides are neutral also. So note it down. Non-metals oxide may be acidic or neutral. They never show basic behavior. Note it down. Non-metal oxide never show basic behavior. Okay, like some metal oxides show both acidic as well as basic behavior. We call them amphoteric oxides.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but in case of non-metals, either it can be acidic or neutral. It never show basic. So please note it down. Note this one and this one also. Examples. Now here non-metal oxides. Oxide when react with water, they form acids. This is sulfurous acid, this is sulfuric, this is carbonic acid. Okay. Note it down.
The third is N2O5.
N2O5. What
Yeah.
is N2O5?
Yes, sir.
N2O5 is nitrogen pentoxide, dinitrogen pentoxide. Okay.
So nitrogen have 5 valency.
Yeah, no. This is an isomers that we're going to study that when N2O positive and NO3, when they join together, this is minus, this is positive. So when they form N2O5. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Dear students, please join room 2. Okay. Okay. So everyone, please join room 2.